Okay. Okay. Come on. Alright. Alright. And hop over to the announcements. Add everybody. Alright. Day 3, part 2. Okay. Let's pippity pop out that chip chat. Pop out the chat. And shrink it down. And we just want to go. Yeah. I do like these, the doors with the brass front. Okay, so what can we do here? Let's see. What's left on that list? Horse chestnut trees decorating the cafe. Oh, you know what? The interior. Right. So, got this. That makes sense. And then we need to put... Do you put tables inside the same way? Is that cheap? If you kind of like... If you took one of these and you select the hierarchy, Alt-D, and this, and if you just put them inside, is that cheap? Something about this doesn't feel totally right. You know what I'm saying? What is this? What was that thing it was giving me? It was like, anyways, that was weird. This. Oh, wait a minute. These would have to go up a little bit. Like that. Like, is that the only difference? Is that you're just inside or outside, but... Is that okay? Does that seem weird to have those? I think I fixed the texture on the house. Oof. Let's see. Is it in the Discord? Is that what I feel like I saw? Oh yes, I did see this. Yeah. I like how these guys are. Are these images? Or are these models? It's an image with the potential. And it's an image with the potential for some animation. I'm working on the environment aspects right now. I have a metric ton of things that still need to be done with it. Yeah. I mean, dude, it's shaping up so nicely. Very nice. Is there depth of field in this image? I'm trying to put my finger on what it is too, because there's still something that kind of gives me miniature vibes, but it's not the texture anymore. The texture actually does look like there's a lot of detail in it. Like the scale seems right. I can't put my finger on what it is exactly. It might be the whatchamacallit, is there any depth of field? I can't tell. It's really hard to tell. I can't put my finger on what it is. Images as planes, using them as tests. Right. That works out nicely. That's a great way to do it, I think. I hate roof tiles. Oh yeah. Let me see these. Yeah, I can imagine. I mean, the roof tiles. I know there's that one thing where you can use particles if you modeled like one roof tile and then you kind of like string them along the vertices of an image. There's no depth of field. Okay. Yeah. Maybe I'm mostly seeing this as like, yeah, maybe it's a focal length thing. But yeah, looking super good. I'm going to set up an array. Right. An array. Array would be a way to do it too. Oops, what did I see in here? It's an image. Huh. Okay. So yeah, I'm not sure. Do I put? I think for now I do like the idea of just having these tables and chairs inside and outside. But at the same time, shouldn't the cafe have indoor seating that's like different? Like maybe I can try this really quick. Let's see if I can. Let's see. Delete that. Delete that. And delete that. So what if, I don't know, but I also like the low, you know, when it's like low like this, you lose that. You lose that if you put booths here. Like that's kind of what's really good about it. I love this like low bit. Ah, fuck. I'm gonna put those back. I'm gonna put those tables back. I think this is fine. The old school farmhouses of France have this really chunky look to them. I think it's the perspective. Has an almost isometric angle. I'm going to change it. Right. Like I know, because it's like, I was looking at it more, I'm like, it's not the model. It might just be like the lighting and angle and stuff like that. Let's see. D, Shift C, put them over here as well. And I think you even kind of maybe put a couple in the center of the room or something. Like, what if it looked like this? I don't know what the right orientation is. Like, do you sit that way? Or do you sit that way? Maybe it's like that. Okay, I think this is a pretty good amount of tables and shit. So now, time to get get some of the more fun stuff happening. Let's see. The cash register. I could have swore he did a cash register. Let's see. Here we go. He did one for London, but I already made one for London, so I could just repurpose his to put it in Paris. Object. Cash register main and cash register parts. I don't think there's anything else, right? Nice. Append. And then put them right here. Cool. And rotate that on Z. Oops. That's honestly fine. Okay. Opens and closes. Yep. Alright. Let's put our boy a little closer in here. Maybe even on the other side. Actually, no, you know what? Oops, holy shit. Take this, Shift D, rotate this, put it like right here. And oops. And I feel like what you could do is like take these and put them over here, rotate it. Like right there. Like that. Or even like right here. And then do this. And scooch it like to change that first one. Oh, what is happening? Oh, okay, okay. right there. Right here. There we go. I think something like that's okay. Nice. Okay. So we have the espresso machine, the register, the glass display of desserts, all the dishes, cups, and miscellaneous boxes. So you could take this and put it right here, I guess. Okay, so it doesn't fit on it like that. It's gonna have to fit on it like this. So I guess they can go at the end here, which might make sense if I do this and this, and then turn this into a sink like that. Take these, bevel them. Whoop. One, bevel those. Nope. What am I trying to do here? Wouldn't this just... How would I bevel this corner? There we go, that's how you bevel it. Bevel these. It's a little lopsided, but bucket. Okay, so that's the sink. And what else? Let's see what the reference looked like. Paris. Dish tub. Blue. Okay. So the thing about the pastry cabinet that he gave me is it's actually only a solid object. There's nothing inside of it. So I think to help me model it, I'm going to give it some textures first. So first I'll just give it the wood texture. Let's give it worn wood. Okay, cube projection. I think this looks fine. And then this bit is glass. And that's glass. Yeah. Okay, assign. Cool. There we go. So now we can actually see inside of it, and then now I can model what is supposed to be inside of it for reals. That should all... yeah, this one's kind of hard now. Perhaps this as well. Should be glass. Oh wait, but it's gonna have to come in like that. Shit. Maybe just this one. Eek. Maybe I can get away with this. Maybe I don't need to fill all that in. Maybe we could just use double-sided textures for this. I think this is okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. And let's throw the same thing on here. Worn wood. Cube project. Excuse me. I feel like there could be some designy bits. This is a little too plain, just wood like that. It's kind of ridiculously plain. But let's see. Take this, should go back here. I feel like it could be a little bit smaller. Let me see. It's kind of massive. Just a little bit smaller, I think. Just so it could fit on this table. Cool. Very cool, very cool. The thing I am curious about though is, now can I put a coffee cup there? Becomes kind of a tight fit. Also, I guess that coffee cup is pretty big, right? Is it? Kind of a big coffee cup, huh? Maybe we make it just a little bit smaller. That's good. Nice. Okay. Same thing with this plate. Oh, that's supposed to be the coffee. God damn it. I fucked up. Yeah, that's good. And then wait, what? Big ass poisson. So I set up a scene while working on my scene. Just having fun while doing a bit of brainstorming. I put it on Discord. A scene within a scene. A scene within a scene. Ah, you mean like actually the scene. Don't mind the fireflies. I got impatient during the render, having a bit fun and doing brainstorming for the asset placement and shit. Let's do open original so I can see this. Nice. Yep. I do like the composition here too. I like the idea of the sun creating that side of the house, putting that side of the house in shade, and that's where your boys are, especially if one's kind of just poking out. And the skybox is looking nice too. Are you going to keep the skybox in the scene? Like, because that kind of does a lot of work for you. It does. It's like a lot of shit you get for free is the background, the fields and everything. Or are you gonna like, is that gonna be modeled out? But this is looking good. Nice. Let's see. You know, this croissant is a little chubby. I'm also going to modify it. It's a little... Let's see. Like if I get all of these, squish them up, and then get all these, squish those up. These, squish them up. These, squish it up. It's a little closer, I think. And then also, I think maybe some of these can... the HDRI is temporary. I still need the clouds, the plane, the paratroopers, and we'll be making the sky myself. You're going to be making the sky yourself? You're not even going to be using an HDRI for that? Even what does that mean, you're making the sky yourself? Are you going to go take pictures or something? Photoshop? Ah, here we go. If I... you know what? Let's bring this face in. There we go. As well as this. Yeah. Like that. Like that. One more maybe, like that. There we go. This is getting a little closer. And then I can get this and scale it. Take that, scale it. Or this one's kind of hard to. How do you make those? Okay, I'm gonna take a shot in the dark here. Let's go these, scooch them down, and then I'll take this, this, and this, Alt-E. Okay, this is gonna look weird. It's gonna look weird. But then you take this and this, you scale them on, let's see, or maybe even bevel them. There's something that can be done here. Shit, maybe even at center. Nope. I'm putting the scene inside of a cube and we'll be setting up the lighting, which will predominantly come from explosions, muzzle flares, and fires. Ah, that makes sense. That's a night scene. Is it a night scene? Is that why? So what I'm trying to do here is like that. That's more of what I'm trying to do. There we go. To kind of give it that little puff, you know. Give it that little bit of just, oops. Oh, that's why, because sometimes I hit space. There we go. Now it's getting that croissant. Those little croissant rings. Like that. And like that. Maybe scale this one down a little bit. There we go. That's my boy. That is my boy. Can I just bevel this boy? And then grab this and scale that up. There we go. Now that's starting to look like a little croissant. Ooh, crispy, little, beautiful, pretty, cute, little baby croissant. Little. It's going to be nice here. That's going to be crazy. That's going to be so much shit going on. Ooh. Mm. So, as a way to sort of keep me relaxed, borderline falling asleep, is just listen to hella ASMR. So, listen to this dude clipping scissors right now. Just it's keeping me in the zone. The soldier's placement will be illuminated by a fire. Oh, like on the side of the building. Righteous. Okay, croissant is done, and I guess these things will get that porcelain. Do I have the porcelain one in here? Do I have to append that? File, append. Where is that? From London? Materials. Porcelain. White ceramic. Shit, I might just have to open it. White ceramic 001. Just white ceramic. Okay. Trying to find a good way to use this ceramic texture. Okay, that's good enough, I think. Oof. It's got like a crazy headache. Can't really tell because they were white to begin with, but fuck it. Got a big ass plate right there. I'm kind of wondering, like, what if you took like this and then did like a sphere. Put it like that. Is that too weird? That's too weird. You can also see the seams like super crazy like that. Something like this, maybe? Gets a little funky. How about right here? Yeah, same thing. Oh wait, I'm fucking tripping, dude. Holy shit. Hold on, what am I doing? I'm over here trying to make white ceramic. What about just if I search plate? Or do I have to search dish? Unsplash has got to have that. Dish. Plate. White plate. Okay. You don't have it, but what about white plate? Here we go. Perfect. Take that one. And is there really anything else? I guess it can have maybe a rim on it like that one. So if I find something nice with a little rim, could even take one of these with I guess I could paint in my own trim. Okay, I think that's a fair... I've given it a fair shake. Now I should just use one of the ones I found. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Okay. So we have that one, which is a definite yes. So copy image. And here, start a new one. Paste. And I want to bring this in to the edges so it doesn't keep any of the shadow. That, like that. There we go. So I put my scene in a cube and set up some simple lighting, and holy shit, the ideas are flooding in. In a wait, I put my scene in a cube and set up some simple. Oh, are you saying like now that you're playing with lighting, it's like now you're coming with all the crazy ideas on how to light the scene? Oh, I fucking love lighting scenes. That's why I every time you guys hear me modeling this stuff, I'm always like, oh, I can't wait to put it in Unity, because once you light it up, universal textures objects. I'll call this one. It's just white plate. And let's close some of these. Close that. And I do want to try to take a whack at this one too. That'd be cool to. Oh, this one is just out of range. Shit. That's a bowl. There's this one, I guess. I'll try this one too. Okay. There we go. And what I could do as like a little precautionary thing is like the one on the bottom, I can scale it up. Just in case I need some extra real estate, that free real estate. Like that. So we'll call this JPEG white plate 02 and JPEG white plate 03, baby. Now let's put some of this shit on here, because these plates just are not reading. For example, this one, let's put a new one. White plate. There's texture. Universal textures. Objects. Let's try this one. That's already so much better. So much better. Change the trim on here though. Oh yeah. Fuck yes. Wonder what underneath it looks like though. Oh yeah, I even like that on the bottom. Okay. Yes. Very nice. Cute little cup. Kind of even makes me want to take... this one too. That one maybe deserves the other one. Hold on. This ASMR is not doing it for me. Okay. Plate 2. Oops. White 2. White plate 2. Image texture. Which one? This one. Nice. Let's see. That looks like a pretty good plate to me. Put up a night scene on Discord. I can't wait to add the plane smoke and explosions to scene. Oh shit, let's take a look. Ooh. Oh, that adds so much. That adds so much. I like this glow off in the distance. Don't know if that's intentional, but I dig that. Yeah. Getting so moody. That really ties so much together. What a massive difference that makes. You know what I don't like is this plate. Its color. It needs to be, let's see, image adjustments, hue and saturation. Oh fuck, you know what I should do this. No. No. And we want objects. This adjustments. There we go. Boom. Save it. Now, what does this look like? Is there like a quick refresh button for image textures? Because every time I have to go in here and then do this again. Okay. You know what else? It can also be brightened up a little bit. So image adjustments levels. And let's change this by doing that and this. Is that too much? Try that really quick. I feel like that'll make a... Still feels a little gray, but overall, I think that's fine. There's still a lot I have to add. The house still doesn't have its stone garden wall. I also need to add the road and the hedgerows, right? Do I keep the design on the bottom too? That's not bad. Yeah, let's just keep it. Boom. Cute little croissant. I just gotta share this one. And then like a yummy face. I really think my scene is coming along. I'm pretty proud of it. You should be. It is. It's totally fucking coming along. Something to be very proud of. I can't wait to see this thing all wrapped up. It's gonna be like, yeah, that's gonna be a crazy picture right there. Oh, depending on how you feel about it at the end. Can you imagine printing that shit? Getting a big print of it, hanging it up somewhere? That could be cool. Okay, I got these plates. May as well. You know what? I think though, let me get rid of this plate. I think there's only going to be 2 types of plates in here. Yeah, that simplifies things. Call this cafe plate. And maybe it's time to texture this cash register. Or the espresso machine. I have a resin printer and a way to print that miniatures of them. Totally forgot about the resin printer. Oof, man, allergies. I'd also love a print for my wall. That'd be awesome. I guess you could do both. Oh man, I hope in the future they come up with a non-plastic. I mean, I guess there are non-plastic printers for sure. Yeah, like, are there ones with like clay or something more like eco-friendly? I would so get way deeper into 3D printing if there was like a nice viable solution for like eco-friendly printing, like basically non-plastic stuff. I used to love making like little toys and shit when I was a kid, and I even had fun printing that last thing for the project, but yeah, I guess metals, but then that's expensive. Okay, let's texture this cash register. It is based on, let's also close some of this stuff. That's that. Let this, keep that open. Close this, close that. Keep that open. I'll keep some of these open. But here, I think it was in London, right? Oh no, we have the Le Café Oubli one. Yeah, the wooden cash register. Okay. Did this one get, maybe he, no, he didn't model this one. Maybe I can modify this to fit this. It's a little too different, huh? I wonder how much I can get away with too. Have I tried that, looking for that here? Cash register. So textures.com has textures for lots of things, but what about like image textures for objects? Like, is there a place where I can just database? I gotta run, my dude. These ideas are flooding in my head and I need to get in the zone. Right on. Go get it, go get it, go get it, go get it. And keep posting in that Discord. I still want to see more of that. I'm very it's not selfish. It is a little selfish. I'm just too curious. Do whatever you'd like, but I would like to see where this goes. I would like to stay updated. And thanks for swinging by, dude. Wooden cash register. Okay, how about just vintage cash register? Dang. This one's kind of a hard one to do. Dang, dang, dang. Yeah, I don't know how much luck I'm gonna have on this. Vintage cash register. It's just so much wood, and it's all the same wood. What if I change the color of the worn wood? What if I did worn wood with like a slight shift? That could do nicely. What else is special about this? Maybe just the buttons, right? It's pretty much everything after that. It's just the buttons. Okay. Warm wood underscore dark. Okay. Close this. Nope. Close this and close that. Add an image texture. Is this an image texture? And there we go. That works a lot better. Oops. There we go. Nice. Same thing with these. Cool. All right, nice. Oops. Can't believe it's only 6:30. It's not even 6:30. It's been a long ass day. Ah, shit, this shouldn't be glass. I'm just gonna delete this. Maybe take these, these, and this. Solidify faces. Cool. Some Z fighting over here. Yep. There's like Z fighting all up in this shit. Come on. Oops. Z fighting is gone. All right, looks good. But maybe it shouldn't be wood. Maybe it should be this metal. Metal and wood, perhaps. This is totally that stuff in Morocco. This is totally that same texture. It's very, very similar to it. Just looking for some shiny metal, y'all. Looking for some real sleek, shiny metal. I feel like Unsplash the rescue on this one again. Did I already do that before? Did I search like Chrome here? Ooh, this is what I'm looking for, baby. Fuck yeah. More of this. Save some of this in universal textures. Save it in metals. What is this? It's kind of like shiny metal underscore 02. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, even this is pretty good. I like that. I think that's actually the one. No fucking way. I finally found a good texture for like poles. Holy shit. I think that's it. Is it loading the full res? Yeah, okay. So copy image, hop over here, paste it in. What? Save image as. It's a big ass image, y'all. Save it to my desktop as a JPEG. And then instead of this, no thank you. I want desktop this. And then this. Okay. Let's see if this works on its own. This is a huge texture though. This is arguably too big. Let's dial it back. Let's go image size. The height, let's take it down to 1500, baby. Oop. Did it just turn it into a little chode? God damn it. Image size. Keep, there we go, lock it. Change it to 1400. There we go. Nice. Metals, and we'll call this one shiny metal underscore pole, or actually shiny metal pole. There we go. And then what I could do is take this and add a new one. Dusty Wee, hey, what up? What's up, Dusty Wee? How's it going? Shiny metal pole. I think I finally found a great image texture for metal stuff. It's one I always have a hard time with. How you doing? Oh, fuck. This bottle, I don't tighten it this tight, but just somehow physics, I guess. I don't know, I'm not a scientist. Something happens and this bottle becomes so difficult to open, I need a little bit of torque. So there we go. Nothing even left in here. Just trying to figure out an asset I got. You modeling a store or something? Yep, modeling the cafe. What's the asset that you're trying to figure out? Properties, tool, options, workspace. What is the thing that he has for all these where it's like it outlines the lines? But essentially what I'm looking for is, say, these and these. Yeah. And then I can assign it to that. And then the image texture I use for that is in metals, this one. And then you cube project. So I think maybe I should do one of these at a time. Maybe like this, 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 and this. Why did I do that? I might have been a little too optimistic on this one. Oh yeah, the rubber on those things. The rubber. The all-in-one shader. For some reason, it shows the game window. Alright, but when I press play, oh, for some reason, it shows in the game window. Alright, but when I press play, it doesn't. All-in-one shader. Which one's that? All-in-one shader. Unity asset. The all-in-one sprite shader? Is it the all-in-one sprite shader? Yes, that's the one. Ooh la la, some of these are some nice effects in here. The one-click normal map creator, nice. Nice, that's cool. Little, what do you call this? Like a thermal. Cool, this looks like a cool asset. Yeah, I hope you figure that out. Seems like a good one. It was on sale. Righteous. I wonder if I'm missing out on any sales. Is there anything that I should get that I'm gonna regret not getting? I guess I'll have to just find out later. Fuck, I was too optimistic about this damn metal texture. It's not the right texture. Damn. I got all my hopes up. What did I search? Chrome? What about just shiny metal? I did have that other one open. Yeah, this is endless. Let's just, it's in Universal Textures, Metals. I'll try this one, Shiny Metal 2. Let's call it Shiny Metal 2. And we'll change the file to, oh, it needs to be changed because of this JFFIF shit. I don't know what the fuck that is. Yes, I'm absolutely sure. I'm positive, bro. Positive I want to change it. There we go. Okay. Oops. And then if I select all these, and then all these, and then I cube, and then just put them all in here. That kind of works out. Yeah, I kind of dig that. That works out okay. And then I can even go as far as to like maybe, yeah, change these and these. Even these. Nice. Yes, that actually works. There's some discrepancies on this. Maybe the top half is metal. I think that's how you do it. Oops, missed a spot. Now it is complete, I believe. Yeah, there might be some changes to it later. It's not perfect. Maybe it can even like like that. And this. I have to change like everything. Hmm. Okay, I think that's okay. There we go. Get some detail in there. Always got to remember that. Very easy to forget that. Yep, even that helps. Nice. Yes, this is finally starting to look like a thing. Could even help to put that shit back here. Like this one. Gets a thing up top. Down here. Gets like this one. Now I'm thinking, does this whole damn thing become metal? Like, why even? Yeah, I think maybe the whole thing becomes metal now. Too much. That could be nice, just the one wood spot on the inside. I kind of dig that. And then in here, okay. Oof. I need water before I fall asleep. Right back, just getting some water. Sorry about that. I had to fill up my whole Brita filter. Dusty Wee says, looking nice. Thanks. You know what I should do? Let's see. Let's make sure I'm on track. Let's make sure I'm kind of not getting too lost in these details right now, because the one big thing that I would like to take care of is the floor of the cafe, which means that I can give a shot at the whole tiling stuff. Okay. What's on the list? Let's close some windows here. Here we go. Cafe interior, procreate the mosaic floor, decorating the cafe, and horse chestnut trees. Alright, and I actually still got a really fair amount of time. It's still very early. It's kind of crazy. Okay, let's take a look at the serving tray. Okay, this is black with gold trim. So maybe what I could do is put this here and maybe make it a little bit smaller. It's kind of crazy big. And then use this. Cube project. Scale that down. Except for this part, which will unwrap as Smart UV project. No. A cylinder. Close. Sphere. No. Project from view. Bounds. Mark seam. Unwrap. Smart UV project. The thing about this one is like, I mean, maybe I could just do something like this. Oh, that kind of works. Wow. What do you know? That's so crazy how that works. Okay. And I'll leave that here. The tub needs to have, it'll have that like scratched, is that texture here? Black scratched metal. The thing about this one, this texture is close to being okay, but there's too much contrast in it. Let's try some other ones. Let's try it from here. Call this like dirty plastic. Or could just search plastic tub. Or scratched plastic. Maybe textures.com has some scratched plastic. Not exactly. This one? What is this? Do I have this? I don't. I'm down to try this one. Universal textures. Save it there. Open to Photoshop. And it is this one. And let's see, adjustments, hue and saturation. Is that what I really want though? like that. Nice. Levels, maybe give it a little bit more contrast. That's a little too janky now. Too bright. Okay, let's see how this does. JPEG scratched plastic underscore tan. Scratched plastic underscore tan. Yeah, that works okay. I feel like it could even be brighter than that. Something like this, maybe. There we go. That's the look. Okay. We'll make all this that dark wood. Except for this part. Sink. Sink. Metal sink. Do I really need to go take a picture of my own kitchen sink? Shit, bro. Really? Are there no good kitchen? Nobody's taking a fucking good picture of their kitchen sink. Do have to search just that though. Kitchen sink. Like, this is what I'm looking for from a different angle. Like, looking into the sink. And I don't want to have to perspective warp it, because it's gonna get all kinds of fucked up. Shit, I'm very surprised. Wow. Google it is. Metal sink. Okay, so it's one of these, but give me one of those. Oh, I guess I never thought of. Guess you could also use Getty images, huh? That'll sync. Nice. Nice. And fill. Okay, that works. And then we'll just kind of chop it off, chop it off. There we go. Guess this is I guess metals, JPEG, metal sync. Metal sync, assign, image texture. About projects from view. Project from view. All right. It's kind of big. All right. Sometimes you just gotta accept it. Maybe what I could do to help spruce it up a little bit though is take these edges, bevel them, and then take this outer edge and scale it. Oops. Make this. Then take these faces and assign them to that. Cube project, rotate. There we go. Yep. That's looking good. Nice. God damn. Really feel like playing GTA right now. Supremely feel like playing GTA. Trying to figure out feeling pretty brain dead. Feeling pretty brain dead. Let's see, models. What I'm looking for is the sync, any sync. We've had syncs made, and so I just want one to I just want to yoink a faucet. So I guess I do just have to bring it from this. Let's see. Object. Faucet knobs, faucet. Faucet and faucet knobs. Let's try just bringing in this. Append. And then if I put them in dish tub, Control P, keep transform, and then now this. Ah, fuck. Nah, I fucked that up. It wasn't selected. This, and this, and this. There we go. Okay. There we go. So what is the difference? Okay. Gotcha, gotcha. Could I do this and then that? Oh, you can, yeah. Okay. So Shift D, separate the selection. Okay, gotta get rid of those. Just want this one. Select all of that. Item goes to 0, 0, 0. Nope, fuck that one up too. Oh, fuck. There we go. Nice. Nice. Same thing with these. Maybe I could just put this on top. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Cafe sink knob. This is cafe sink faucet. Take both of these. And cafe back counter. Oops. Oh, I totally selected the wrong one. Wait, no, I didn't. Cool. Cool. That's all set up, right? Maybe they could be the sink. Okay, that worked out. Cube project. Dope. Maybe just nope. Something closer over here. Yeah. It's fine. Okay. Got the sink and all these are pretty set up. Nice. Cool, chairs and everything. What else? Am I missing anything? Cash register eventually needs to get textured. Don't think I'm gonna do that one just yet. Cups looking okay. Let's take a look at the list. Cafe interior, procreate, decorating cafe. Let's say decorating is done. The horse chestnuts trees, I think I'm gonna remove that for today. I think I'm just gonna keep the ones I currently have. We'll add that to that other list. Here, the bottom, the remainders, we'll put the horse chestnut tree redux. And let's see. All right, it's looking super solid. I can pop over here. Okay, that's done. The neon sign, though. Am I going to do a neon sign? That is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I'll save that. Let's put that on that list too. Cafe neon sign. But I'm down to do an eclair. This should be done. No cafe is it's not even a cafe unless you have an eclair. So let's make one of these, and let's check if I can get an eclair. Oops. An eclair. There we go. See, these are kind of like very Americanized eclairs from my experience. Mostly in Paris, at least. Maybe not the rest of France, but in Paris, when you get an eclair, it resembles something more like this. Like that especially. These, trying to find a very idyllic. I mean, the one picture I have already is pretty idyllic, so maybe I just shut the fuck up, Steven, and do what you already had. Okay. So I'll put it right here. You know what we'll do? We'll put it on the plate. And I guess you would start with a cube. Let's take the whole thing, scale it down. Not really sure, but I think it's a safe bet to model an eclair by extending this out, and then maybe grabbing all the edges and beveling them. Yeah, so far so good. That's a great start. And then maybe just grab the top ones and bring them down. And maybe scale on X and then scale on Y. No, too much. Scale on Y just a little bit, and then extrude up. Then take this edge, and then bevel it. Something like that. Take this top face, bring it down. I think that might be our eclair. And that way I could just get like the bread texture and the chocolate texture separate, maybe. Maybe, baby. Maybe, baby. Ho hum. This heater's out of control. Frank Reynolds says, hey, yes, I'm experimenting with some lighting and I've started filling out the environment some more. Tomorrow I'll work on some debris, the stone wall, and the volumetrics. Holy shit, you're getting a ton of stuff done. The volumetric sounds kind of wild. Prepare to beat your head against your keyboard when you get to the volumetrics. Prepare for premium frustration. And not because it's difficult or anything. I mean, you know, it's about as hard as anything. But when I've done volumetric stuff in the past, it's always so frustrating because it's like you have to wait long for it to process. Even the fastest volumetric stuff, and it's just like, hurry the fuck up. Add a new image to Discord. Okay, let's see. What do we got? In here? Did you? Wait, what? That's not the same one, is it? Oh, it was. Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, right, because you kind of like backlit that stuff. Right. It has way more depth than the other one. Nice. Volumetric's taking forever to render. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Give this a big ol' ace in the hole. Meanwhile, I'm over here also banging my head against the wall. Because where are the eclair textures? Does textures.com have... Doubt it. Nope. What about like pastry? Get the fuck out of here. What? They even have the little croissant. Oh, the little croissant. That's actually not a croissant, is it? That's something else. Well, that's actually more than I thought, because I think these are even models, right? Yeah, these are 3D scans. All those textures are awesome. It's like they're not even textures; they're full-blown textured volumetric scans, or not? Sorry, not volumetric. LOD. What is it called? The lidar scans. That's funny. Okay, but doesn't solve my problem. Steven still does not have a very reliable eclair texture. I guess I just have to search eclair in Google. I could go for one of these right now. I went to a place when I came back home. I was on a walk and I came across a bakery that I've never been to. And outside of town that I've never been to, really, or that I've been to, just never paid much attention to, right? And I had been eating so many eclairs, so many delicious, like my heart drops just thinking about so many delicious eclairs in Paris. And then I come home and I'm passing by this bakery and I'm like, fuck yes, cool. And I look inside and it's even, they're going all out with their pastries and they're making a lot of exotic looking ones. It's not your run of the mill pastry shop like there is around here. And so I'm like, maybe this place has a shot. And then I even see that the names of them, you know, the little cards that they put next to the pastries, the titles of them, some of them are shit I can't read. That's some French name. And I'm like, did I just hit the jackpot? Did I just find a little French bakery in my neighborhood? And I go inside and I ordered an eclair. And I even saw right off the bat, I was like, this doesn't look like an eclair. It is, but it's like one of these like fluffy ones. It's one of these ones that look like a sandwich. With like, yeah, it's just not the same. And then I had it. And it was okay. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. I would even go as far as to say it was good. It was still a good pastry, but it was not an eclair. It was not an eclair like I was used to. And that was a bummer moment. There's a lot of things to be bummed out about not being in Paris anymore. And, you know, I thought life was going to cut me a break. And it didn't. These first world as fuck problems. Oh God, look at these. I should organize by large. I'm gonna need some decent texture on this. And these little babies. These little skanks. How big is this? Not bad, not bad. It's a hard one. Especially surprised to not find any in here. Just eclair. No. What I could try doing is I could take these. Is there any other better ones? And I'll take the one where it's just the bread. And then I can search separately. Chocolate icing. Holy fuck. What a long day it's been. And if I just find one of these, it has like a nice little, just a little, I can combine the two, hopefully. Ooh. I could try this. That's kind of not right, but I can try it. You know what? Fuck it. I need to make some progress here. So let's take this, copy image, Photoshop, new, boom, boom, and then here, copy this image too. Need to make some fucking progress. Let's do it. Okay, this one, and then I'm gonna take this some bitch like this. Okay, XV, delete that whole damn thing, copy paste that, and then, whoa, image, edit, transform, flip horizontal, okay. Rotate it. You know what I was watching last night? I fell asleep watching Columbo last night. Fucking love Columbo. I just started from the top. I was just like, fuck it. Like, let's just go all the way in. And that pilot episode, that Columbo pilot episode, what a banger. Absolute banger. Let's maybe change that. There we go. Nice, that looks like one big piece, yeah. And then merge layers, duplicate it one more time, maybe twice, get rid of this one, put them like this, or rather image flip vertical, rotate it a little bit. Okay, bring it in a little bit. Erase it a little bit. Excuse me. Oh shit. You sound like a fucking cartoon character. Oh, that's what I should do. I should go like this. Yeah, there we go. And then, yeah, there we go. Just to make it wider. And then I could put the chocolate icing on top, duplicate that, hide that, and then lower the opacity a little bit. And then no, you just kind of shrink it and I put it up here like that. And then I take these guys, put them right here, duplicate them, merge layers, transform it, scale it up like that, maybe just like this, put it behind it. There we go. That way, if I just need any extra real estate, I can grab it. I could yoink-a-doink it. Take all these, put them up like right there, and squish this down. So this is an Eclair Atlas. And textures, this is specifically for Paris. And you know what? I'll save this thing because it's kind of an elaborate mess. Eclair raw. Then we'll save the JPEG. And if I ever make any other flavors, then I'll specify. Okay, new Eclair image texture. Wait, god damn it, not gradient texture. Fuck you, fuck you. What an image texture. Paris. Oh! Oh, I could use PSDs, I forgot about that. I feel like... Nah, because then PSDs get all bulky. No, you're not going to use that. You're going to use this JPEG. Yeah. Okay, then I take this cube projection, take all these, put them down here. I fucked this texture up already. I'm too lazy to go back and fix that, what I meant to do. Oh, wait, no. This goes underneath that. There we go. That's what I meant to do. And this one gets turned on? Yes. That's what I meant to do. Let's put it back. JPEG. There we go. Yes. Yes. Open. There we go. Now. It's not unwrapping quite how I would imagine it to. Smart UV project? That's the bottom. Okay. What is this other shit? of this. I want all of that. Right there. Okay. Okay, so far so good, I think. Oh my god. Okay, fuck it. And then we take this entire top part. We deselect these. And did I get anything else? Nope, that's just it. So I'll grab this face map and call this, give me the chocolate. And assign that. And cube project and keep it on the chocolate. No. It's not the most appetizing eclair. It's also, is it big? No, that's a good size. It is a little big. But it mostly looks like those American donuts. Oh, fuck me. Does that help? Looks a little bit better. Ah, but it puts it all on the burnt parts, or the dark parts rather. Give me the chocolate. Yeah, I feel like I should replace this texture with something else. The chocolate's fine, but that one, it's a little too dark. So, baby girl, give me some proper eclair textures. Some well lit, some bright dough. That's a pretty good one. Can I yoinky doinky it? And you know what? A big thing too is like that eclair chocolate is smooth. So let me try this really quick, where you select that and then scale it down. Find a nice smooth part. I'm very embarrassed by this eclair. I feel like and it's something I hold so dear to my heart. Like, I fucking love these things, and to do it wrong just it's not a good feeling. It's not a nice feeling. Is that better? It's like a little bit better. Oh, also I think maybe it would help if I this eclair is getting way too many polys. Holy shit. I mean, that kind of helps. That kind of helps. I swear to God, once I bevel these last things, that's it. I'm done with this thing. Okay, that's it. That's just, it's fine. I could UV map this shit later. It's fine. Maybe you take like this, just the vertices, randomize. Oh, shift. Nah, it's too much. Can't do it. All right, Claire is done. You know, for as much as I got done today, it's felt a little lackluster. Let's see. Where's the other stack? Okay. Decorating cafe. I think really it comes down to now, let me check this off. It is done. I think it's really going to come down now to the floor, the tiles. So I could take this little tutorial and I can link up the whatchamacallit. To do this tile floor. You know what, y'all? Honestly, since I am done with the main shit that I wanted to do today, I'm gonna call it, because I'm pretty exhausted even though it's early. And I might come back to it later, but I'm probably not gonna stream again tonight. Maybe I'll pop into Discord and show some pics of what I've been working on. If I do get back to it. I might just play Far Cry 2 or watch a bunch of Columbo right now. Let me see. Let's take a little swing around though, right? Let's see. What do we got? Okay, we got these things textured. Gave this thing a nice little gold trim. Got our eclair. Got our plates, right? That's the plates for food, and there's also a separate plate for coffee cups, little coffee plates. Got our little croissants properly modeled up. Got the cash registers that placed. Things are mostly at least placed, right? They're going where they should be. Cash register still needs some texturing, but not a big deal right now. Croissants are in here. This thing was kind of a bitch, but I finally figured it out. It should be metal, and now that looks pretty good. It's a nice touch. The metal, the sort of modern piece of bakery equipment in this place. And this thing might get touched up later. Right now it's pretty plain Jane. It's just like a box. And what else? Got the place furnished. It feels a little weird. I feel like I want to make some kind of distinction between the chairs inside and outside, but maybe I shouldn't. Maybe in general they feel a little out of place because they're just solid colors. So maybe a thing that needs to happen is, let's put that in the notes, is retexture cafe chairs and tables. And what else? The walls. Actually, you know what? I could put one more thing in here. Or I guess the interior is the same, huh? It does feel kind of... You can see seams everywhere. It's a little frustrating. Let me see. What does it look like when you do this? Yeah, it's not the most pleasant thing to look at. Especially because I think these are, yeah, these are totally stretched out. These UVs are all kinds of fucked. Same thing with these. So a lot of this needs to be re-UV'd. In fact, I should just do that right now, because that's technically not finishing my job if I don't do that. So let me do that right now. Thinking about leaving those little middle parts. Okay. And then I cube project. Maybe we could do that thing, mesh, clean up, merge by distance. I really don't know what that thing does. It removed 5 vertices, 7 vertices. I have no idea what this thing does. And then cube project does kind of the same thing. Correct aspect, cube project, correct aspect, 0.001. Okay. Could also do smart UV project. Does that help? No. A lot of them are wildly different sizes now. And a part of it too is because I think, yeah, I mean, they are different sizes. Look how fucked this shit is. It's so fucked. It's such a messy job. I can't believe I modeled it this way. This was 2019? No. Top of 2020. Yeah, this was the beginning of 2020. I mean, I really don't feel like, I mean, I guess I have probably gotten much better at modeling since then, but still, damn, what a shit job this was. I was in a rush, that's why. How else to fix it? How else to fix it? Other than going through each individual face and changing them. Cylinder. Scale Z, X, Y. What about like this? Does that help? That looks like a fucking wacky. Oh my god. What if I do this? It's interesting because it kind of is what I want if these were all straight. Let's see. Right. Let's see. But it's hard because there really isn't a uniform angle that they're all. Oh, straighten Y? Align Y? No. Align X? Nope. Straighten X? Straighten? Shit. What about straighten? Straighten. Follow active quads. Don't know what that means. Uh-oh. Oh shit, I thought this froze on me. Did Blender crash on me? No. You unwrap. Nah, no way. I would love if it could straighten, but that's probably not. Oh. No. Duh. Does that work? Oh, that gets a little bit closer. Could that be a stylistic thing if there's just different panels everywhere? You know what I could do? It could also just not be the wood panels inside. Maybe that's the trick. Let's try something. Maybe that's the trick. Maybe I alleviate all this pain, all this psychic pain by yeah, there's some real fuckery going on in this place. Okay, I believe that is all the interior stuff. Grab that. Okay, and the ceiling. And make a new one. Call this interior walls. Assign, and then materials. What if I just new, and what do we got here? Like just a test, like it was just marble. Sure, assign. Oh, but the marble has a texture, so that's not the best one. Could maybe have it like that. In fact, that makes a huge difference. Even if they're all, if the grain is running in the wrong directions, they have different scales and everything, it makes a huge difference. And I could maybe polish that up later, but I think for now, I will say that that's good enough. Okay, and now I am done. the color looks nicer, right? Hey, what's up, Dusty Wee? How's it going? But yeah, there's this. The cafe definitely needs some work, and I think tonight I'm just gonna kind of veg out. Maybe I'll do. I'll post up the little video that happens if I do whatchamacallit, the mosaic with Procreate. Otherwise, I'm so zapped. I really can't wait to just veg out super hard right now. So, thanks to everybody who swung by today. I think it was rather dead today, and probably better because of it, because it was a struggle. Today was rough. Today was really rough. Frank and Dusty Wee, thanks for swinging by. Catch you in the Discord. I'll at least be hanging out there. So if anybody is working on stuff, curious to see what you guys are working on. But yeah, take care of yourself. Be nice to yourself. Say nice things to yourself the same way you would say to your friends. If the things that you're telling yourself aren't things you tell your friends, then, check yourself before you riggedy wreck yourself. Bye-bye, man. Take care. See you later, Dusty Wee. Drink lots of water. Stay nice and hydrated. Get lots of sleep. 8 hours of sleep. Get exercise. Just go running for 20 minutes. See the people you love, your friends and family. And I'll hit you guys up very, very soon. Okay? Have a very good night. Peace, 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 peace.